that is.
Yeah, I was just told there was tornado warnings in Shelbyville and over in Stewartson.
That's what that is then.
But they got them going off here too.
Yeah, that's tornado sirens. Tyler got it up. He said that Shelbyville and another place got tornado warnings. Yeah.
If there's any kind of funnel, it's going to be over in there somewhere. I don't see any rotation or anything there.
I thought at first it was there thunder and then.
Well, first there was thunder, now this. Okay, now they're stopping. Okay. There must have been some rotation over yonder. Yeah, they got severe thunderstorm warnings out for Effingham County right now, too.
Yeah, I know. I've been watching the weather. I was sitting there messing with my phone, but I had the weather on earlier and it was showing some stuff.